India launched its first spacecraft dedicated to studying the Sun, building on a month of historic successes for the country's civil space efforts. The spacecraft, called Aditya L1, launched from Sriharikota, an island off the Bay of Bengal, at 11:50 a.m. Saturday local time, 2:20 a.m. Eastern Time. And it's headed to a parking spot in orbit about 930,000 miles, 1.5 million kilometers, from Earth. The successful liftoff of Aditya L1 comes less than 2 weeks after India's space agency, the Indian Space Research Organisation, made history by landing its Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft on the lunar surface. The achievement made India only the fourth nation in the world, and the second in the 21st century, to land a vehicle safely on the Moon. That mission is expected to conclude next week. Meanwhile, Aditya L1 is heading for its destination at Lagrange Point 1, an area that lies between the Sun and Earth where the gravitational pull of both celestial objects cancel each other out. That location will allow Aditya L1 to remain in orbit, in a position optimal for observing the Sun's activities, with minor fuel consumption. This position will provide a greater advantage of observing the solar activities and its effect on space weather in real time, according to the space agency. The spacecraft is equipped with 7 scientific instruments, 4 of which will be trained directly on the Sun while the others will study solar wind particles and magnetic fields passing through at Lagrange Point 1. The main goals of the mission include studying the Sun's upper atmosphere and various solar phenomena, such as coronal mass ejections, or massive expulsions of plasma from the Sun's outermost layer.